Fyxer AI. Are unread emails and missed details from meetings draining your time and focus? Imagine the stress of an overflowing inbox mixed with scattered meeting notes. It can feel impossible to keep up. What if a tool could handle both effortlessly so you could focus on what truly matters? Fyxer AI is an advanced AI-powered executive assistant designed to organize, draft, and manage communication like a personal assistant built right into your inbox. Instead of sifting through dozens of unimportant messages, Fyxer AI automatically categorizes and prioritizes emails on platforms like Gmail and Outlook. Spam, marketing clutter, and AI-generated junk are filtered out, leaving only what deserves your attention. Writing quick responses no longer has to interrupt your workflow. Fyxer AI generates personalized email drafts tailored to your tone and style, so you can review, edit, and send in seconds. And when it comes to meetings, Fyxer AI can join your virtual calls, take precise notes, and send detailed summaries to all attendees, helping you stay engaged in the conversation instead of worrying about missing key points. This assistant keeps improving, too. Its adaptive learning understands your preferences over time, refining drafts, improving note accuracy, and aligning with your communication habits. Teams benefit from shared learning, creating a consistent style across an organization and making onboarding for new members smoother. Security is also a priority. With ISO 27001 2022 and SOC 2 Type 2 certifications, your data remains private and protected, and customer data is never used to train external models. Priced at around $30 per user per month, Fyxer AI is trusted by professionals and executives who need premium assistance without extra complexity. Stop drowning in emails and meetings. Let Fyxer AI streamline your day. Try it today and reclaim your productivity.